Hello everyone, welcome to Techie channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if the Wi-Fi option is not showing in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Start and then type in Control Panel and then click on Control Panel. Now from here click on Network and Internet and then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now from the left click on Change Adapter Settings. Now in here find your Wi-Fi network and see if it is enabled or disabled, and as you can see in my case it is disabled. Now to enable it, all I have to do is right click on it and then click on Enable, and as you can see it just fixed my problem. But if you still have that problem, then move on to the next fix. For that, go to the search box again and type in Services and then click on Services. Now in here select any of them and then press W from your keyboard and that will take you to the W section. Now scroll down and find WLAN Auto Config and then right click on it and then click on Properties. Now from here next to Startup Type, click here and then select Automatic and then click on Apply and then click on OK. Now click on Restart from here and that will restart the service, which should fix the problem. If not, move on to the next fix. For that, go to the search box and type in Device Manager and then click on Device Manager from the top. In here, go to the Network Adapters and click on the little arrow next to it and then find your wireless card. Here you can see Intel Dual Band Wireless. Now what you have to do is right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Now click on Let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. In here select the driver and then click on Next, and that will install the driver again, and which should fix the problem. If not, then while you are here just right click on the network card again and then click on Properties. From here go to the Power Management tab and uncheck this box that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So just remove the tick from this box and then click on OK, which should fix the problem. If not, let's move on to the next fix. For that, go to the search box again and then type in System Config and then click on System Configuration. From here, go to the Services tab and then click on Enable All. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Now click on Restart, which will restart your computer. And after the restart, check to see if the problem is gone and you are connected to Wi-Fi. If not, then one last thing that you can try. For that, you have to get a computer with a working internet, and using that computer, open any browser and then search for download Wi-Fi driver then type in the model of your computer. So in my case I will type in Asus VivoBook and then press enter and then go to the official website of that computer brand, and in here just type in the model number, select the product type and everything, and then search for the driver. Then install the driver and see if the problem is fixed. And that is how you can fix the problem of Wi-Fi options not showing in Windows 10 settings, or Wi-Fi is missing in Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.